So the South Western Sydney Nursing and Midwifery Health Alliance was established in 2022, and it's led by Professor Josephine Chow. But it's staffed with 3 professors, and that's myself, a lady called Val Wilson, and Professor Steve Frost. And one of the things about South Western Sydney is the executive officer there, Sonia Marshall, thinks it's very important that we grow our clinicians and we ensure that their needs are met in regards to quality improvement and practice and translation into policy. So that's really what my role is all about. So across the Institute, or the Health Alliance, we have a variety of interests. Mine are in paediatrics, adolescent health, drugs and alcohol, and disaster nursing. Val works in best practice quality improvement across nursing and midwifery, and Steve works across critical care, ICU, and is quantitative. Val and I specialise more in that qualitative space. And Josephine is also more quantitative, and she works in that renal, more clinical, cardiac space. So we have quite a few PhD students and honours students in the South Western Sydney Health Alliance, and we also have what we call quarantined research time. So it helps clinicians dip their toe in the water and get an understanding of research, and with a mentor, and it's supported by their Director of Nursing. So it's a really good way of showing the district that research is really important and that it's valued in the district. So the goal of, next slide, please, Sarah. The goal of the Institute is to develop our nurses and midwives in South Western Sydney and to translate research into clinical practice. We also promote multidisciplinary activity. So we work quite closely with Ajesh, who you saw earlier, and Lynn, that you saw earlier. And even Donna and Loretta and I work together. And I think that's one thing that's really, that Western Sydney has. It's very, it has a very strong research focus and a very strong multidisciplinary focus. And I think people work together very well. And I think for anyone who's doing honours, masters or PhD, it's a really fantastic environment for that. I was going to also mention the scholarship. So that's also available if you're a registered nurse or midwife in South Western Sydney. That's available. And I think it's a fantastic opportunity to have some financial support while you're also undertaking your study. And I think I'll leave it there. Happy to answer any questions afterwards. So thank you.
Thanks so much, Ali. That was good. Really great insight into what's happening in South West Sydney, and the opportunity to access the scholarships is great.